Good morning, students. I hope all you are safe, and also I hope you might have completed the homeworks. In the last class, we learned when adj is given how to find out A and how to find out A inverse. In this class, we are going to use the properties and do the few problems. Okay? Shall we move to the sums? Say example 1.9, verify AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse with A is equal to A2 by 2 matrix is given, B also equal to A2 by 2 matrix is given. Say simple problem, AB inverse, what is the formula? AB inverse is equal to 1 by determinant AB into adj AB, right? So, A means 1 by determinant A into adj A, since it is AB, 1 by determinant AB into adj AB. So, for all these things, we need first what is A into B. So, we can find it out first AB. A into B, that's matrix 0, minus 3, 1, 4 into B, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 1. Shall we multiply? So, row into column. 0 into minus 2, 0, plus minus 3 into 0 again, 0. First row, second column. 0 into minus 3, 0, plus minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Now, 1 into minus 2, plus 4 into 0 is 0. 1 into minus 3. Now, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Now, our answer 0, 3, minus 2, minus 7. So, we have got it AB. Now, first we have to find it out whether inverse exists or not. For that, determinant AB, that is determinant 0, 3, minus 2, minus 7, which is equal to 0 into minus 7, 0, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. So, it will become plus 6, equal to 6. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can write AB inverse exists. Okay. Now, since it is 2 by 2 matrix, directly we can write what is adjoint of AB. See, this is AB. What we have to do? Exchange the main diagonal. So, 0 and minus 7 will become minus 7, 0. Here, just change the symbol. Plus 3 means minus 3, minus 2 means plus 2. Isn't it? Now, what we should do? We have to substitute in the formula. What is AB inverse? Okay, shall we write it? AB inverse is equal to 1 by determinant AB, that's 1 by 6 into adj AB. What we have got it? Adj AB minus 7, minus 3, 2, 0. So, now this we can keep it as equation number 1. So, right hand side is B inverse into A inverse. So, what are the things we need? What is B inverse? First we have to find out A inverse. So, B inverse. What is the formula to find out B inverse? 1 by determinant B into adj B. Anyway, first we can find out determinant B. What is that determinant? The value of B is minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 1. So, what we will be getting? You can write here. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 0 into minus 3, that is 0, which is equal to 2. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, what we can write it? B inverse exists. Okay, now listen. Determinant B we got it. Edge B we need to find it out. Edge B is equal to, since 2 by 2 matrix directly we can write, see the value of B, exchange the main diagonal, minus 1, minus 2. Now this, change the symbol, minus 3 means plus 3, 0, plus 0 and minus 0 is same, so we can leave it. Now B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant B we got it, 2, into edge B, minus 1, 3, 0, minus 2. Okay, now the same way we have to find out A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into edge A. Determinant A, that is determinant, the value of A, 0, minus 3, 1, 4. Okay, shall we multiply? 0 into 4, 0, minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Since we have a minus here, plus 3. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse also exists. Now, edge A, directly we can write it 0, 4. That is 4, 0. Minus 3 means it is plus 3 and 1 means minus 1. So, I can write A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A, 1 by 3 into edge A, 4, 3, minus 1, 0. So, we have got it. What is B inverse and A inverse? Shall we multiply now? B inverse into A inverse. That is 1 by 2 into minus 1, 3, 0, minus 2 into 1 by 3 into 4, 3, minus 1, 0. Now, the numbers 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6. Now, multiply this, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Now, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 3 into 0 is 0. 0 into 4, 0, plus 2, 0, plus 0. So, our answer is 1 by 6 into minus 7, minus 3, 2, 0. We can mark it as equation number 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, see, you can check that equation 1 also we have got 1 by 6 into minus 7, 2, minus 3, 0. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can able to write it. AB, the whole inverse is equal to, what is that? B inverse into A inverse. Do you understand? Shall we move to the next problem? Say example 1.10. If A is equal to a 2 by 2 matrix is given, find X and Y such that an equation is given. A square plus X into A plus Y. See, hence find A inverse. X and Y we need to find out. After finding X and Y, we need to find out A inverse. Anyway, A is known. A square we need. Shall we find it out? A square is equal to 4, 3, 2, 5 into 4, 3, 2, 5. Matrix we cannot square as it is. See, 4 into 4, 16 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Now first row, second column. 4 into 3, 12 plus 3 into 5, 15. Now first row completed, second row. 2 into 4, 8 plus 5 into 2, 10. 2 into 3, 6 plus 5 into 5, 25. Add these values, 16 plus 6, 22. 12 plus 15, 27. 8 plus 10, 18. 6 plus 25 is 21. So we have got it A square. 6 plus 25, that is 31. Now we will take the given condition. Given a square plus x into a plus y I2 is equal to 0, 2. What is the meaning of 0, 2? 0 matrix of order 2. I2 is identity matrix of order 2. Shall we substitute the known values, which implies a square 22, 27, 18, 31 plus x into a, the value of a 4, 3, 2, 5 plus y into I2 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, we know that is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 22, 27, 18, 31 plus multiply this x inside 4x, 3x, 2x, 5x plus now multiply with y 0, 0, y is equal to all 0 matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. Now add all those things, what we will get? 22 plus 4x plus y. The next value is 27 plus 3x plus 0. Here 18 plus 2x plus 0. 31 plus 5x plus y equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now only left hand side we have one matrix and right hand side we have one matrix. Since in between equal to is there, we can equate the values. See, this will be easy for us. Only one unknown is there. So you can write 27 plus 3x is equal to 0. Or even you can equate this also. See here, 3x equal to minus 27. So x is equal to minus 27 divided by 3. We knew it. 9 3s are 27. So 1, 9. We have got it. X is equal to minus 9. Now we need to find out y. Either you can take this value or you can take it this. So let me take the first value. 22 plus 4x plus y is equal to 0 implies 22 plus 4 into the value of x is minus 9 plus y is equal to 0, or 22 4 into minus 9 minus 36 plus y is equal to 0. 22 minus 36, how much you will get it? Minus 14. So minus 14 plus y is equal to 0, or y is equal to plus 14. So we have got the value x equal to minus 9 and y is equal to 14. See, given a square plus xa plus y I2 equal to 0, 2. Just we have found out the value x equal to minus 9 and y equal to 14. Shall we substitute first? So we may get a square minus 9a plus 14 I2 is equal to 0, 2. Actually, we need to find out a inverse. So this a square I am going to reduce into a. See, for that, post multiply by a inverse. Pre-multiply means first in the left side we will multiply, post multiply means right side. See, a square into a inverse minus 9 into a inverse plus 14 I2 into a inverse is equal to 0, 2 into a inverse. See, we have that a into a inverse is equal to I. The same way, any matrix into identity matrix is equal to the same matrix. See, as per that, a square means a into a, isn't it? So, one a will be reduced and we may get that is a minus 9. A into a inverse, that is I. Since it is given as 2 by 2, I am giving I2. Plus 14, I2 into A inverse means identity into any matrix is equal to 0 into any matrix is 0. From this we need only A inverse. So keep A inverse in the left side take all the values to right side. So 14 A inverse is equal to, see, minus A plus 9 I2. Now substitute the values. Minus A, the value of A, what is A given? 4, 3, 2, 5 plus 9 into I2, 1, 0, 0, 1. See, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5 plus 9, 0, 0, 9. Now minus 4 plus 9, 5, minus 3 plus 3, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 5 plus 9, what is that? 4. Actually this is 14 into A inverse. What is A inverse from here? A inverse is equal to 1 by 14 into 5 minus 3 minus 2, 4. See, A is given in the question. Is it not? In the beginning itself A is given. Using that we know how to find out A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into RGA. But in the question they gave, hence find A inverse. So after finding the value of x and y, they have asked us to find out. That means using this equation we have to find out A inverse. That is why we have did this procedure. Again we have some homework problems that also I will explain how to do it in this procedure. Okay. Now we have to do some exercise problems. Shall we move to that? Listen, exercise 1.1, problem number 5. If A matrix is given, prove that A inverse is equal to A transverse. Say, in a simple method I am going to do. One can think that you can find out A inverse separately, A transverse separately, and both equation you can equate. I am going to do it in a short method using our properties. See here. To prove A inverse is equal to A transverse, isn't it? Just multiply by A. Pre-multiply or post-multiply? What happens? A into A inverse is equal to A into A transverse. A into A inverse is equal to A into A transverse. So listen, A into A inverse is I. I is equal to A into A transverse. So it is enough to prove A into A transverse is equal to I. Okay, now shall we prove it? A we know, A transverse only we have to find out. Now, A transverse is equal to, see, 1 by 9 matrix minus 8, 1, 4, 4, 4, 7, 1, minus 8, 4, the whole transverse. See, 1 by 9 into, shall we transfer it? Minus 8, 1, 4, 4, 4, 7, 1, minus 8, 4. Okay. So now we have got it A transverse. Now I am going to multiply A into A transverse. Matrix A, 1 by 9, minus 8, 1, 4, 4, 4, 7, 1, minus 8, 4 into, again, A transverse. 1 by 9 into minus 8, 4, 1. 1, 4, minus 8. 4, 7, 4. Shall we multiply? See first the number which is in outside. 1 by 9 into 1 by 9. That is 1 by 81. Now we know that row by column method, isn't it? Minus 8 into minus 8, that is 64. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 4 into 4, 16. Now first row, second column. Minus 8 into 4, minus 32. plus 4 plus 4 into 7 is 28. Into one more, last column, minus 8. 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, plus 4 into 4 is 16. See here, now the second row. 4 into minus 8, minus 32, plus 4 into minus 8, minus 32, plus 4, plus 28. Since you know the matrix multiplication, I have written all the values. Now shall we simplify it? Which is equal to 1 by 81 into, see here all the values. 16 plus 1, 65, 75, 81. See, this is 0. See here, minus 8, minus 8, minus 16 plus 16, 0. And here, minus 32 plus 32, 0. Leave this value. See here, minus 32 plus 32, 0. Here, minus 16 plus 16, 0. Minus 32 plus 32, 0. So, when we write here, we will be getting 81, 0, 0, 0, 81, 0, 0, 0, 81. Now, shall we take the 81 outside? So, 81 by 81 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, we are getting, this is identity matrix I, A into A transpose. Therefore, as we said, A inverse is equal to A transpose. Is that clear? A inverse is equal to A transpose. So, this is one of the shortcut to do that problem. Next, problem number 12. Find the matrix A for which, see, A into one matrix is given equal to the another matrix. See, this also we are going to use the property. This given, isn't it? I'm going to take it as B. Let B is equal to 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. And C is equal to 14, 7, 7, 7. Oh, since all with a multiple of 7, we can take it out, 1, 7. So, we may get 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, see, given A into 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2 equal to 14, 7, 7, 7. Actually, this is A into, which implies A into B is equal to C. Right? We need matrix A. A alone we need. This B should be eliminated. What we can do? See, post multiply by B inverse. See, A, B into B inverse is equal to C into B inverse. We know that A into A inverse equal to I. Isn't it? See, so this B into B inverse I can write. A into I is equal to C into B inverse. The same way, any matrix into identity matrix is the same matrix. So, we may get it. A is equal to C into B inverse. See, now C matrix we know, B we know. So, it is easy for us to find out B inverse. Now, we can find it out B inverse. Say B inverse is equal to, we know the formula, 1 by determinant B into adj B. So, determinant B, it's determinant 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Shall we multiply? 5 into minus 2, minus 10, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So, it will become plus 3. Minus 7, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, B inverse exists. Adj B, how we will be finding adj B? 2 by 2 matrix, no, it's very simple. Change the main diagonal. Minus 2, 5. This same value, symbol alone change. Minus 3, 1. Is it not? Now shall we substitute in the formula? So, B inverse equal to 1 by minus 7 into minus 2, minus 3, 1, 5. So, we have got it. A is equal to C into B inverse. Shall C we have written, that is 7 into 2, 1, 1, 1. This is the matrix given in the problem, right? So 7 into 2, 1, 1, 1. And B inverse is 1 by minus 7 into minus 2 minus 3, 1, 5. See, 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So we have, see, 7 and 7 when we get cancelled, minus 1 into, multiply this 2 matrix, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 5. When we simplify, what we may get it, ma? Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. And minus 3 plus 5 is 2. Now just give the minus 1 inside. Multiply by minus 1. So 3, 1, 1 and minus 2. This is the matrix A. Okay. Now this is the time for your homework. See, exercise 1.1, problem number 4, 13 and 14. Fourth problem, A is given. Show that A square minus 3A minus 7I2 is equal to 0, 2. This you have to show it first. First find it out A square, then substitute all the values. If you are getting all the values as 0, that is enough, isn't it? Using that, find A inverse. What you should do? Post multiply by A inverse. Then you will get the answer. We have did that example problem. So the answer I have given here to check. Then 13th problem, A is given, B is given, C is given. Find a matrix X such that A, X, B equal to C. See, this is given and they have asked X. See, using the property only we have did. I have given the beginning step. See, A, X, B equal to C. I want only X. I need to eliminate A as well as B. So A means here. So pre-multiply by A inverse. See. Now A inverse into A is I. XB is equal to right hand side A inverse into C. I into any matrix is the same matrix. So XB equal to A inverse into C. Now this B I have to eliminate. What I should do? Post multiply by B inverse. So X, B, B inverse equal to A inverse C, B inverse. See, B inverse into B is I. So Xi equal to X inverse C into B inverse. So what is X from here? A inverse C, B inverse. So using A you can find out A inverse. Using B you can find it out B inverse. Then substitute here and find it out X. The value of X is 0, 1, 0, 0. Check it out. Also 14th problem. A is given. Show that A inverse equal to 1 by 2 into A square minus 3A. So you can simplify this and then you can prove it. Because A inverse you have to find out, then A square. To avoid that, say cross multiply this. 2 into A inverse is equal to A square minus 3A. To eliminate A inverse, what you can do? Post multiply by A. 2A inverse A is equal to A square will become A cube minus 3I into A. A inverse into A is I. A cube minus 3IA is A. So, it is enough to prove, right? Enough to prove 2I is equal to A cube minus 3. A cube, what is that? A cube? A cube is equal to A into A. Multiply, then it will be easy for you to show that. So, complete this homework. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.